Hello there, my fellow holotable heroes, and welcome to another Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes video. In this one I will show you a very reliable counter to Darth Revan and Malak. A shout out to It's Just Ian because I got this idea from his channel, so make sure to check it out. I'll add a link to his channel in the description below. He's got some great content, some great theory crafting, so definitely worth checking out. Now I've been using this team in Arena for the past few days and the win rate is about 90%, which is pretty much as good as it gets, I would say. Now the key to make this team very successful is to get your mods right. So let me just show you the mods that I'm using. The main thing here is to adjust the speeds that you get the correct turn order at the beginning of the battle. So Jedi Knight Revan, he needs to be the fastest, so go first and before Darth Revan goes, which is not that difficult because of all the extra speed Jedi allies get from Jedi Revan's leader ability. Now the second fastest in this team needs to be Bastila, so she can add buffs to Yoda so he can then spread them to the rest of the team. Now because Bastila's and Julie's base speed is quite low, I had to put my best speed mods on Julie and Bastila and not on Revan. Now in terms of Grandmaster Yoda's mods, you need to load him for maximum damage, so just put your best offense set on him with critical damage as well. It's good to have him very fast, but he should not be faster than Basti. Now Julie needs to be very quick as well. He can be slower than Yoda, but he must be faster than Ezra. And finally Ezra, he needs to be modded for maximum critical damage and any secondary offense you can throw on him, as well as a good amount of speed, but not too much. And initially I had him just a bit slower than Jolie, but because Bastila's unique adds 6% bonus turn meter to Jedi allies when she gets a turn. So what happened was when Basti took turn, Julie and Ezra gained bonus turn meter, and then it was a flip of a coin who would go first, so you don't want that. You want to have complete control of the turn order. So Ezra needs to be quite a bit slower than the rest. Now onto the battle itself. This is up against a fully maxed Darth Revan Malak team. He's 7-star and gear 12. Now, start of the battle, as mentioned before, Jedi Revan will go first, mark Darth Revan and increase his cooldowns. Now for my testing, Darth Revan will always attack Jedi Revan on his first turn with a basic attack. Now as mentioned, Bastila needs to go second to apply all the nice lovely buffs to Yoda, and then he can then spread to the rest of the team. Now also take this opportunity to put in some damage into Sith Trooper. Okay, now it's time to spread the buffs. And this is why Jolie needs to go before Ezra, so he can use his basic attack to clear foresight from Darth Revan. And now Ezra can go in and put in a big hit. It's over 50k hit. Okay, so right here, that's the first bit of RNG that occasionally does go wrong. That's why I can't say that this team wins 100% of the time, but 90%. So as you see, Malak attacked my Jedi Revan. If he would have gone after Yoda and removed his offensive buffs, then Yoda potentially would not be able to finish off Darth Revan. Okay, now it's time for Yoda to do a big hit on Darth Revan. And boom, over 65k. Darth Revan's gone. And this is the second bit of RNG here. Does Yoda crit or not? Thanks to Bastila's adding crit chance up on Yoda, in most cases he does crit. But again, every now and then he doesn't. That's another reason why I would say this is a 90% win rate team, not 100. Now when Malak taunts, use Bastila's special attack to remove his taunt and add buff immunity on him, so he doesn't taunt again, because you really don't want to touch Malak until the last. Now let's take out Sith Trooper, which shouldn't take too long with Yoda and Ezra doing big damage. Okay, he's almost out. One more hit. Here we go. Now next one to take out is Dark Bastila. Put all the damage into her. Alright, almost gone. Couple more hits and she should be out of here. Heal up. Alright, and Dark Bastila's gone. Now next one to gun down is HK, because if you don't, he'll start one-shooting your Jedi. Okay, I need to get around the taunt first. Alright, we lost Ezra, but that's okay, we'll bring him back. Now finally time to get rid of HK. Spread those buffs again. There we go. One more hit. There you go. Mass assist. Boom. HK's out. Finally, it's time to take out Malak. Now once only Malak is left, I always tend to call Bastila to assist so she can try and ability block Malak. Okay, here he resisted. Try to stun him with Yoda. There you go, we got a stun. Pass over to Bastila so we can try to land ability block. Resisted again. Okay, let's call in Bastila again. Okay, ability block landed this time, which is good. There we go, almost gone. Lost Ezra again, that's okay. Another ability block. Bring Ezra back again, spread the buffs. And I think this should do it. And there you go, an easy and clean win. Now I've been using this team for the past 4 days and it works really well for me. Since I optimized my mods to get the turn order correct, I lost only one battle, so I'm really happy with the success I've been having. So if you are maybe struggling to beat Malak and Revan teams, you should definitely give this one a go. Play around with mods, get the turn order right, and I think you should be good to go. Thank you for watching, and may the force be with you, my friends.